My name is Brian King. I work for Rogers Motors. We have 6 automotive dealerships, 2 Toyota stores, 2 Subaru stores, a GMC store, and a Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram store. I run our commercial solutions division and our systems administration across our group of dealerships. We're a family owned and operated company, been in business for about 54 years now, and we have about 350 employees in the company. Phone service, we use them for phone service across our stores. And I would tell you that in the automotive business, the phone systems and phone service is critical to our operations. Not every vehicle purchase starts with a phone call to us. Some start in other mechanisms, but every one of those transactions, whether it's to sell a customer a vehicle or to service their vehicle, typically involves a variety of live phone conversations with our customers. So it's a critical piece in our business, and we use them across our entire enterprise for phone service.